This is a beautiful 1940 Ford custom panel delivery. Beautiful maroon paint. Under that hood, I believe there's a 350 Chevy engine. And the car has automatic transmission, air conditioning, all the things that would make it wonderful to drive today. But even with all that custom work, it still retains the identity of that 1940 panel delivery. Just look at that interior. And the lighting. Just totally amazing here. The instrument cluster still has that original look, even though the instruments may not be the originals, they still look the part. And of course we have the Indian motorcycle legend on the vehicle, which really gives an extra flavor to the vehicle. One of my friends had an Indian motorcycle way back. And of course they're making them again. Just an amazingly great job done on this vehicle.